Hello, children. Good morning to all of you. Yesterday, we had read the chapter 3 of English Reader course book, Unusual Sports. And today, we will do the bookwork of the same. So, let's get started. The first is comprehension. That is A, mark the sentence as true or false. So the first is Bosa ball is played on an inflatable court with a trampoline on both the sides of the net. So is it true or false? This is true. Okay. Chess boxing is no longer played. This is false. चेस बॉक्सिंग इज नो लॉन्गर प्लेड. चेस बॉक्सिंग जो है अब नहीं खेली जाती है. चेस रोलिंग इज ट्रेडिशनली प्लेड इन स्विट्जरलैंड. इट्स ऑल्सो फॉल्स. पू स्टिक्स इज प्लेड बिटवीन टू प्लेयर्स ऑन अ रॉड. नो, इट्स फॉल. इट्स प्लेड ऑन अ ब्रिज over the river. UB Lakpi used a stick soaked in coconut oil. No, this is also false. We used a soaked coconut. Okay, next is choose the correct option. In chess boxing, a player wins only when he defeats his opponent. So option A is in both chess and boxing, by checkmating or knocking him her out in the boxing, by scoring more in both chess and boxing. So the right option is B, by checkmating or knocking him her out in boxing. Next is the sport of poo sticks was invented by A, the Chinese, B, A. Millen, and C is A. Millen's son. So this was invented by the A. Millen. Okay. Our next exercise is based on English grammar vocabulary. So here we are going to study about homophones, homonyms and homographs. Okay, so let's get the difference between all three. What are homophones, homonyms and homographs? Now see, what is the difference between them? So the difference between them is given here. Homophones, homonyms and homograph. होमोफोन्स जो होते हैं बेटा, उसमें स्पेलिंग सेम नहीं होती है, बट द प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज सेम. होमोनियम्स में स्पेलिंग इज सेम, प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज सेम, बट मीनिंग इज डिफरेंट. एंड होमोफोन्स में भी मीनिंग क्या होता है, डिफरेंट होता है. होमोग्राफ्स में स्पेलिंग सेम होती है, प्रोनाउंसिएशन एंड मीनिंग इज डिफरेंट. ओके, so this is the table to understand the homophones, homonyms and homographs. See, meaning is different in all three. Okay, and pronunciation is similar in homophones and homonyms. Homographs has the different pronunciation, and spellings are same in homonyms and homographs, but in homophones the spelling is also different. Okay, now choose the correct homophone to fill in the blank. He stretched dash his hands in prayer. So the right option is fourth, F-O-R-T-H. Shob stood dash and could not get a medal. Fourth, F-O-U-R-T-H. The players knew the rules of the game very well. Knew. Two options are given here. Two homophones are given here. Knew. Different spellings are given. Okay, but the pronunciation is same, but the meaning is different. Okay, new means नया and new means जानना. So the players knew the rules of the game very well. जो player थे वो game के rules के बारे में जानते थे. Next is it's always nice to learn a new sport. So the correct option will be new. The team wears a blue uniform. The wind blew hard, making it difficult for the players to ball. Okay, next is write sentences with the homonyms to bring out their different meanings. Fair. These are the homonyms, bache. And in homonyms we have the same spelling, same pronunciation, but different meanings. So the pronunciation and spelling you can see will be same. Fair, lie, kind. Okay, spellings are same and pronunciation is also same, but we have to use them according to the given meaning. So for example, fair means here is an event and fair it is good. So I have made the sentence we went to the fair. हम fair पे गए, मतलब मेले पे गए. I will give you a fair prize. मैं तुम्हें एक अच्छा प्राइज इस चीज का दूंगा. Lie, Could I lie down on the couch? Lie means to rest in a flat position. And lie to say something you know is not true. That means he is lying, मतलब झूठ बोलना. And lie means लेट जाना. Okay. Now the next is kind. Kind means helpful and kind means types. प्रकार. What kind of job do you have now? तुम्हारे पास किस तरह की जॉब है अभी? And Raju is a kind person. राजू एक kind person है. Okay. Now the next is each sentence has a homograph in bold. यहाँ पे bold letters में हमारे पास ये homographs दिए हुए हैं. So according to the words given means यहाँ brackets में हमारे पास rhyming words दिए हुए हैं. उसके accordingly हमें इनके rhyming words मतलब कि यहाँ पे इनकी pronunciation क्या है, because I have told you in the homographs we have the same spellings but their meaning and pronunciation is not same. Okay, so this word is pound, so here this is wound, so the rope was wound around the flag staff. Wound. Okay, the player could not play as he received a doomed मतलब wound. Okay, the pronunciation of this is wound, this is wound and this is wound. The sow was housed comfortably in the pen. So the pronunciation of this word is here sow. It's now and sow. According to pronunciation of the words we have to tick here. The farmer realized it was time to sow the harvest. Lo, sow. The archer carefully placed the arrow on his bow. The player made a bow to the audience. Okay. Now see initialism. What is initialism? Initialism is an abbreviation formed by the first letter of the multi-word name or term. For example, BCCI. So this is called initialism. Okay, and the full form of this initialism is Board of Control of Cricket in India. CNG, compressed natural gas. So these are the initialisms. Okay, now the next is acronyms. An acronym is an abbreviation formed by the first letter of multi-word term and these letters are pronounced as one word. For example, PIN, postal index number. PIN is an acronym and the full form of this is postal index number. Okay, now write the abbreviation of the followings. ये हमारे पास कुछ वो दिए हुए हैं, ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं, तो हमें इसकी एब्रीवेशंस बतानी है. ठीक है. ऑल इंडिया टेनिस एसोसिएशन, तो इसकी एब्रीवेशन क्या होगी? AITA. एशियन गेम्स फेडरेशन AGF. इंडियन एयरफोर्स IAF. वर्ल्ड रेसलिंग एंटरटेनमेंट WWE. Write the full forms of the following abbreviations. Clue, all of them are related to the cricket. ICC means International Cricket Counseling. IPL stands for Indian Premier League. ODI means One Day International. Okay. Next is complete the sentences with have, to, can, cannot or may. These are the models given here. We have to fill the blanks with the help of these models. So the first one is Sakshi is hardworking. She dash win a gold medal. So Sakshi is very hardworking. So what she can do? She can win a gold medal. तो वो एक gold medal जीत सकती हैं. It is not possible Sumesh dash participate in my place. So Sumesh can't participate in my place. Dash I borrow this book please. So when we are seeking for the permission we use may. May I borrow this book. The swimmers dash undergo rigorous training. Have to. We dash play according to the rules of the game. We have to play according to the rules of the game. Rajneesh dash take part in the race as he is injured. So Rajneesh is not well so he cannot take part. वो रेस में part नहीं ले सकता है. Okay. Okay, so last but not the least, it's writing a paragraph. Out of all the unusual sports described in this chapter, which one would you like to take part in? Write a paragraph on why you would want to participate in that sport. So in our chapter, we have discussed about 5 unusual sports. Bosa bowl, chess boxing, cheese rolling, poo sticks and UB Lakpi. So tell me by writing a paragraph here which sports you like the most and why do you want to play that. Do this yourself, okay? And complete your book work. Thank you.